Hello friends, welcome to Fairs Club Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started the November month's topic wise current affair and we covered so many important topics. But today topic of discussion is defense related current affairs of the November month of 2022. This topic is very important for every type of exam. So watch this video till last and watch carefully. But first of all, you have to download our application Careers Cloud from the Google Play Store. After that, log in with your email ID. Then click on this Crack Current Affairs section to subscribe our current affairs for 1 year as well as for 2 years. Both the subscription prices are very much low. But the most important thing, what we are covering under this 1 year and the 2 year subscription, we are providing you daily section. In the daily section, you will receive 3 things. One is the detailed current affair. Second is the question and answer format of current affairs, but both will be provided in the form of PDF or in the form of ebook. And third is the quiz section, and this can be attempted only on our application on daily basis. Next is the weekly section. Again, we are providing 3 things. One is the detailed current affairs, second is the question and answer format, but both things will be provided in the PDF format, and third is the quiz section, which you can attempt on our application on weekly basis. Next is the monthly section, and in the monthly section we are providing you 4 type of PDFs. One is the detailed current affair PDF, which is known as study PDF. Next, all the detailed current affairs will be converted in the form of question and answer. That's why it is known as question and answer PDF, so that you can revise all the current affairs in the question and answer format. Next is the best 100 current affairs will be provided. That is also provided in the form of question and answer. And last is the pocket PDF. It means 1-liner, 2-liner, or the 3-liners current affair will be provided to you, so that you can revise these current affairs very quickly before your exam. Next is topic wise current affair. This is very important section because we are providing 20 most important topic wise PDF. If you want to revise 1 or 2 particular topics, then you can use this topic wise PDF. If you are a banking student, then we are providing 3 things. One is detail, second is question and answer format of current affairs, but only related to banking and economy, and third is the quiz section. It is also only related to banking and economy, and you can attempt this quiz section only on our application on monthly basis. Next is exam PDF. If you want to cover all the current affairs before your exam of particular year, then you can use this exam PDF. Next is special current affair section. In the special current affair, we are providing you budget and economic survey. 2 things we are providing. One is detail, budget and economic survey. Second is question and answer format of budget and economic survey. It means you can recall that examiner can make these type of questions from budget and economic survey. If you are preparing for your respective state exam, then we are also providing state current affairs, and we are covering every state and union territory. So all these things comes under only one subscription. First of all, you have to just download our application Careers Cloud, then click on this Crack Current Affairs section, and you can subscribe for 1 year as well as for 2 years. And if you want 10% extra discount, then you can use this code ASH10. If you have any query, then you can email us on this email ID, or you can call us on this number. So let's start the November month's topic wise current affair, and today topic of discussion is defense related current affairs of the November month, and here is the first question. India participated in the first edition of the 3-day India, Mozambique and Tanzania trilateral exercise, which is known as IMT TriLAD, in a joint maritime exercise held in Tanzania in October 2022. First of all, you have to remember this is a trilateral exercise between the 3 countries. One is India, second is Mozambique, third one is Tanzania. Second thing which is very important, this exercise is hosted by Tanzania. And third, the name of the exercise is TriLAD. TriLAD. This is trilateral exercise IMT. IMT stands for India, Mozambique and Tanzania. And remember the question now, which Indian naval ship represented the Indian Navy in this exercise? And this Indian naval ship is INS Tarkash. Answer of this question is first. So India participated in the first edition. This is the first edition of 3-day India, Mozambique and Tanzania trilateral exercise, which is a joint maritime exercise between the navies of India, Mozambique and Tanzania, and it was held at Tanzania from 27th of October to 29th of October 2022. And Indian Navy ship is represented by the Guided Missile Frigate, Indian Naval Ship Tarkash, a Chetak helicopter and Marine Commandos, which are also known as Marcos Special Forces. The exercise was followed by the Gandhinagar Declaration, which was adopted at the India-Africa Defence Dialogue in Gandhinagar on the sidelines of the Defence Expo 2022. Moving to next question. On 31st of October 2022, the Royal Australian Naval ship HMAS Anzac reached Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh to participate in the Dash edition of Indo-Pacific Endeavour 2022 exercise with the Indian Navy. First of all, remember the name of the exercise, Indo-Pacific Endeavour exercise. Second, it is in between India and Australia. And this is the third edition. So answer of this question is second. So on 31st of October 2022, the Royal Australian Naval ship known as HMAS Anzac, an Anzac class frigate, and also HMAS Adelaide, a Canberra class landing helicopter dock arrived in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh for participating in the third edition of the Indo-Pacific Endeavour or IPE 2022 exercise with the Indian Navy. And this Indo-Pacific Endeavour exercise is supported by an Australian Defence Force Maritime Task Unit of the Royal Australian Navy ships and embarked army personnel. Moving to next question. With which country the Indian Air Force has recently conducted the 11th edition of Annual Joint Military Training 2022 at Kalaikunda in West Bengal? And this is the country of Singapore. So answer of this question is 3. So it is a 6-week long 11th edition of Annual Joint Military Training exercise between Indian Air Force and the Singapore Air Force commenced at the Air Force Station in Kalaikunda, West Bengal. From Indian Air Force, Sukhoi 30 participated, Jaguar participated, MiG-29 participated, and LCA Light Combat Aircraft Tejas participated. And from the Singapore side, F-16 aircraft participated under this exercise. Moving to next question. On 8th of November 2022, India participated in the Dash Malabar Naval Exercise, which is a quadrilateral maritime exercise in Yokosuka in Japan. First of all, the name of the exercise is Malabar Naval Exercise, and it is a quadrilateral exercise. It means 4 countries participated under this exercise. And this time this exercise is hosted by Japan. So remember, a 4-nation or quadrilateral maritime exercise, 26th edition of Malabar exercise. Answer of this question is 4, started on 8th of November 2022 in Japan, which will culminate on 18th of November 2022. And the year 2022 marks the 30 years of Malabar exercise because it was initiated in 1992 between the navies of India and United States of America, because earlier it was only the bilateral exercise. But now 4 countries participated under this exercise. One is India, second is Australia, third one is Japan, and fourth one is United States of America. Now it is a quadrilateral exercise. And from Indian side, 2 warships, one is known as INS Shivalik, and second is INS Kamorta. Participated under this exercise. Even Poseidon 8I long range maritime reconnaissance and the anti-submarine warfare aircraft also participated. Moving to next question. In November 2022, India conducted the Dash edition of the largest Pan-India Coastal Defence Exercise named as Sea Vigil 2022. Very important question. Mark this question in the very important section. This is a Pan-India Coastal Defence Exercise named as Sea Vigil 2022, and this is the 3rd edition. So answer of this question is second. So this is the 3rd edition of largest Pan-India Coastal Defence Exercise known as Sea Vigil 2022, and it was undertaken along with the entire 7516.6 km of coastline and the exclusive economic zone of India from 15th to 16th of November 2022. And the exercise is conducted by Indian Navy in coordination with the Indian Coast Guard and other ministries entrusted with the task of the maritime activities. Moving to next question. What is the addition of the Indo-United States Joint Military Training Exercise known as Yuddh Abhyas 2022 that was recently begun in Uttarakhand? Again, very important question. First of all, remember the exercise is in between India and United States of America. Second, the name of the exercise is Yuddh Abhyas. And third, it is hosted by India and exact place is Uttarakhand. Now, this is the 18th edition of this exercise. Answer of this question is 4. So, the 18th edition of India and United States of America joint military exercise known as Yuddh Abhyas 2022 begins at Oli in Chamoli district in the Uttarakhand state, and it is for the first time ever with an objective to exchange the best of technology, tactical skills and maneuvers between the armies of both the countries. And it is a 15-day long exercise happened between 16th of November 2022 to 2nd of December 2022 that primarily focus on the high altitude and the extreme cold warfare. Moving to next question. What is the addition of India-Indonesia bilateral joint training exercise known as Garuda Shakti that began in Karawang, West Java, Indonesia on 21st of November 2022. Again, the first important point, name of the exercise is Garuda Shakti. Second, it is in India and it is in between India and Indonesia. Third, it is hosted by Indonesia, exact place is Java Island. And this is the 8th edition. So answer of this question is first. So on 21st of November 2022, the 8th edition of India-Indonesia bilateral joint training exercise known as Garuda Shakti 2022 began at Karawang in West Java, Indonesia. So a contingent of Indian Special Forces troop is currently participating in the intensive 13-day training program in Karawang with Indonesian Special Forces. Moving to next question. Name the 7th 250-man ferry craft that has recently launched at Calcutta in West Bengal. And this is Manjula. So answer of this question is 1. So remember, Binod Kumar, Indian Administrative Officer or IS Officer, Principal Secretary Transport, West Bengal, launched the 7th 250-man ferry craft known as Manjula or Yacht 786 at Messer Shalimar Works Limited, Calcutta, West Bengal. And Manjula ferry craft was built under the Make in India initiative of the Ministry of Defence with all major and auxiliary equipment or systems sourced from the indigenous manufacturers. And the ferry craft are being built with a lifespan of 25 years and provide impetus to operational and logistic requirements of the Indian Navy. Moving to next question. In November 2022, the Indian Navy participated in the Dash edition of the bilateral exercise known as Nasim al-Bahar, also known as Sea Breeze, with the Royal Navy of Oman. So again, this question is important. First of all, this exercise is in between India and Oman. Second thing, this is a bilateral exercise of Navy and name of the exercise is Nasim al-Bahar. Nasim al-Bahar. So this is the 13th edition of this exercise. Answer of this question is 4. So the 13th edition of the bilateral exercise Nasim al-Bahar, and this exercise is also known as Sea Breeze between the Indian Navy and the Royal Navy of Oman, and it took place off the coast of Oman. So it is hosted by Oman, and it started on 19th of November and it completed on 24th of November 2022. And Nasim al-Bahar 2022 consisted of 3 phases. One is harbor phase, second is sea phase, and third one is debrief. And the Indian Navy guided missile stealth frigate, Indian naval ship Trikand, offshore patrol vessel INS Sumitra, and maritime patrol aircraft Dornier participated in the bilateral exercise Nasim al-Bahar. Moving to next question. Which country recently commenced the Harimau Shakti 2022 exercise, the annual joint military exercise along with India? Again, very important, the name of the exercise is Harimau Shakti. Harimau Shakti 2022. Second, it is an exercise in between India and Malaysia. So answer of this question is 4. So Harimau Shakti 2022, which is a joint military exercise between India and Malaysia, commenced on 28th of November 2022 at Malaysia. So this exercise is hosted by Malaysia. And this exercise culminated on 12th of December 2022. And Harimau Shakti has been held between the India and Malaysia since 2012. And the joint exercise will enhance the level of defense cooperation between the Indian Army and the Malaysian Army and foster the bilateral relationship between India and Malaysia. Moving to next question. In November 2022, the third of the 4 survey vessels Project Ikshak has launched at Larsen & Toubro Kattupalli facility in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Name of the company that has building the Ikshak along with L&T for the Indian Navy. Very static question. Just remember the question as same as in slide. This project is known as Ikshak. The third of the 4 survey vessels large project was launched at L&T facility in the Kattupalli in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It is being built by the Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. So answer of this question is second, along with Larsen and Toubro for the Indian Navy. And SVL or the survey vessel large ships will replace the existing Sandhyak class. Replace the Sandhyak class ships or the survey ships with a new generation hydrographic equipment to collect the oceanographic data. And this SVL or the survey vessels large ships are 110 meter long, 16 meter wide with a deep displacement of 3400 tons and a complement of 231 personnel. Moving to next question. What is the addition of Astra Hind exercise of 2022, which is a joint military bilateral exercise in between India and Australia initiated at Mahajan Field Firing Range in the Bikaner, Rajasthan? First of all, name of the exercise is Astra Hind. By the name, you can guess that it is in between India and Australia. It is a joint bilateral training exercise, and this time this is hosted in India and at Rajasthan. So just remember, this is the first edition. So answer of this question is 4. So first edition of Astra Hind exercise, which is a joint military bilateral training exercise between the armies of India and Australia, was initiated at Bikaner in Rajasthan, and the exercise was culminated on 11th of December 2022. And Indian Army is represented by the Dogra Regiment, and the Australian Army contingent consisted of soldiers from the 13th Brigade and of the 2nd Division. So just remember, this exercise is in between India and Australia. Moving to next question. In which place the Indian Air Force has recently organized the annual Joint Humanitarian Assistance and Disaster Relief Exercise known as Swamvey 2022. So this was hosted at Agra in Uttar Pradesh. So answer of this question is 1. So this is an annual joint humanitarian assistance and disaster relief exercise known as Swamvey 2022, organized by the Indian Air Force, and it was held at Air Force Station in Agra, Uttar Pradesh from 28 November to 30 November of 2022. And Swamvey 2022 seeks to offer a special platform for exchange of domain knowledge, experience and best practices with the participating Association of Southeast Nations or ASEAN member countries. So this is all for today. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video. And you can subscribe our all platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram channel. All the official notifications delivered through the Telegram channel. So just subscribe from the description box link. Thank you guys. Take care and bye-bye.